Okay, back again with another random day in my life. So currently my summer vacation are actually going on and it is somewhere around like almost 3 o'clock in the evening and I was just drawing because I was totally bored. Like I don't have much to do rather than watching the lectures and all. So I decided to do so. Like in my state where I actually live is super hot. So I'm struggling with that and even sometimes the electricity cut off. So I really struggle. But I was just drawing, coming back to the point, I was just drawing, I was making a sketch. So I just remember like when I was a kid, when I don't have much to do, like I don't have smartphone to play games or to do anything else rather than going outside to play sports. I just used to draw something. I just long to I just wait for the summer vacation to come and so that I can make a lot of drawing to draw everything and all. So I was just doing that so only to recreate my memories. So I will be showing you some of my drawings, how I made. Like I actually was making, like I was actually drawing. I don't even complete that, but I will be sharing some of the pictures or drawing that I made earlier. So don't make fun of it, but just appreciate me that I just develop a new skill. Like developing a new skill is like, it's more important than perfecting it. Okay, so enjoy it. And yeah, I just forward the intro. Okay, so welcome back to the journal where things rarely go as planned. Talking about drawing, I just forward the title or the topic of today's video. So I just remembered. So today I will be sharing my experience, how I experience commerce as a stream, like in past few months. How is my experience? Like, do I regret it or lots of myths are there in the social medias and all. So I will be just catching up them all, and I will be sharing you my views on it. Okay, so rather than rambling around, I should come to the point, yeah, for which you all are actually waiting for. Sharing my experience over a commerce stream from a past few months. So rather than like coming directly to the point, first question that will arise in your mind is that do I regret taking commerce stream? So the answer is really not. The commerce stream, like choosing commerce stream, was up to me. Not even my parent forced me to do that. So I was really interested in taking that. I was not just running behind J and NEET. I'm not hating these subjects, but I'm just giving my preference over it. So yeah, sharing my experience on commerce stream. So commerce stream is an underrated stream. Not everyone chose it, but now the things are been changing. Lots of student, even the toppers and the average student, all are taking commerce stream because it has a lot of scope that we'll be talking like after some while. But like commerce is a subject that even the toppers and the average don't have studied from the earlier classes. The commerce, the foundation started from 11th class. So everyone, even the average or topper, have to give a fresh start to themselves to study commerce, and even everyone have to start from the basic only. So my experience from the past few months is that I am like totally feel interesting learning about the commerce and all the subject, like talking about every separately subject. I studied economics and then accountancy, then mathematics, applied mathematics I've chosen, then statistics, and after that we have English is like compulsory to even the J and NEET students also, and the last one is business studies. So like what I heard from lot of students or my seniors, I heard that they told me that the accountancy is quite difficult in 11th and 12th like in commerce stream. So everything is difficult, even you take J NEET or J, if you do J or NEET, or if you do if you take commerce, everything is difficult because you are not just studying the basic level that you have studied in the class 10th or ninth and 8th. You are just studying the new things. So everything is difficult. You can't say that commerce is only the stream that is most easiest or more easy. Like everything is difficult. Yeah, like you should create your mindset that not in a way that everything is difficult, just you can do it. Like you should have your mindset like that. So talking about the subject, like I really not find accountancy as difficult because even I don't have completed much of the chapters, but some of the chapters that are basic chapter, like first or second chapters, so I really find them interesting, and I really appreciate the student who have taken the commerce. You should like follow your path. Don't even listen to the people who are giving you false statement about commerce, or just hating the commerce stream. You should not listen them. You should focus on your studies only, and you should try to clear your concept. Main thing in 11th is to clear all the concept of even of the accountancy or every subject. You should clear your concepts so that you can't like you won't be able to find any difficulty in class 12th. And talking about me, I really don't find commerce as a difficult chapter, sorry, as a subject. As I told you in the previous video that I've like purchased the Uday Pro batch, like that is that the batch is from the PW one, so commerce wala batch. So for me, it is like very good. Like whenever I have any doubt, I can clear by asking my doubt in the doubt section. So I really find it amazing, and I don't have any doubt over it. And even one more thing, like if most of the students think that commerce is easy also, so please don't even think like if you are enjoying your class 11th, yeah, you should enjoy. Like you have hustle your like total class 10th, so you should enjoy, but you should clear your concept in class 11th. So like as I told you, so that it will be easy for you in the class 12th also. And then talking about the career options, so there are a lot of career option in commerce. Like career option do not stop if you take commerce. There are a lot of you can do business that is like actually booming in India and all over the world. So the famous or the like famous entrance exam or like exam that you can give in after the 12th or by taking commerce stream are as follows. Something like IP Met and CUET and then CA and CS. Like C and CS are like very famous if you take commerce. Like you can give them, like it's really interesting and amazing as I like heard from a lot of people. And that is amazing. Yeah, like, you can prefer if you have chosen commerce stream. And now the last and the most important thing is that do we have a best teacher of commerce? So talking about me, like my experience about it is that I have like purchased the batch. So in the batch, the teacher, the faculty, everything is awesome. The teacher who are like teaching us are really amazing, and उनसे तो सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझ आता है. And if you don't have even purchased that batch, you can also watch a lot of videos on the YouTube. Like I can suggest you some of the teachers. Like one of them is Ushank sir. Like I have heard from a lot of people about Ushank sir and Rajat Arora, who is like literally is also famous, I think. And like you can watch them also. Like if you don't want to purchase any batch, you can do that so also. So I think this should be sufficient, like sharing my experience over it. If you really want me to like tell you more about this thing, so you can comment down your questions or the questions that you have that you want to ask, so that I can post another video or I can reply you on the comment section only. So I really love your comments. So please comment down what your suggestion is and like on which other topic I should make a video. So ending the video here only, I am really thankful for your patience watching this video. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Till then, have a great day.